This time we will learn about divide in ZWCAD. Divide command will divide object into several part using point without break it. You can use this tool to create guide for same size part of the object easily. Let's try to divide some object. First, line. Type div and press enter, then select the line. Type divide amount and press enter. You will see line will separate by point. Next, rectangle. Type divide and select rectangle. Type divide amount and press enter. Next, circle. Type divide and select circle. Type divide amount and press enter. Next, ellipse. Type divide and select ellipse. Type divide amount and press enter.
Subscribe, like and share if this video useful. Thanks for watching.